Welcome back student. In this video we are going to discuss about a newly introduced function which is Pduration. What Pduration do, if you are going to give certain inputs to this function like rate of interest, how much money you want to invest and what is your goal amount, then it's going to tell you that for how many years you need to invest the money so that you can reach up to your goal amount. The good thing is it's going to count or calculate the interest rate on compounded way. What I mean, let's say for the first year on 1 lakh rupees, 10% interest rate is going to be 10,000. Now in the second year, the interest will be not going to be calculated on 1 lakh, rather it's going to be calculated on 1 lakh 10,000. So that amount will be definitely more. So it is known as compounding interest. So that is how it's going to count it, and which is very practical also. So here three inputs are there: investment amount, rate of interest, and the goal amount. So I'm going to apply Pduration. Now Pduration, the first argument you need to give is the rate of interest. So let's say I'm giving this one, which is 10%, comma, PV means present value, means the amount you want to invest, which is this particular cell, 1 lakh rupees, comma, then FV means the future value. So I want 1 lakh to invest, and I want the goal amount for me is 2 lakh rupees. Rate of interest is 10%. So for how many years I need to invest? Here we got the result, which is 7 years approx, 7.27. It's a straightforward calculation. If 1 lakh rupees, 10% rate of interest, 10,000 in a year, so in 10 years it's going to be 2 lakh. But because it is being calculated in a compounded rate of interest, it's going to take only 7.27 years. However, nobody is giving us 10% nowadays. Let's say here I'm giving 7%. So 1 lakh rupees will require 10 years almost to get double. So this is Pduration function for you. Very useful if you are looking to invest your money. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.